everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore solving this problem where in the diagram O is the center of a circle, OB and OA thus is like a radius. Angle AOB is given, which is 108 degrees. The thing that I wish to highlight to everyone is we do have to see that this is in terms of pi. Okay, and we would then need to find two things. First, the arc AQB. AQB. And after that, arc APB, which is here. Okay, so let's work on the first one first. So for part A, we are given angle 108 degrees, and therefore arc length, the arc length AQB is therefore equals to, what do you think is this? We always divide by 360 degree multiplied by 2 pi r, and r in this case is 8. Okay, I'm going to use the radius. Radius is 8. Okay, this is our radius. Yeah? Yes, 108 degrees. And therefore, we will get the answer. This will be, after I use the calculator to calculate, 108 over 360 times 2 times 8. This will give me 24 over 5. Do take note, they want us to live in terms of pi. And this will be cm. Now, for arc APB, do take note, since they want us to find the green color APB, then do make sure that the angle at the center is in the same curvature as the arc, which I just draw here. So to find the arc APB, the green color, I would then need to find the green color angle down there. And so for part B, the arc length of APB is therefore still, we will have to divide by 360. We will still have to multiply by 2 pi r. But what is that angle down there then? What is this green color angle? Yes, this green color angle would then be 360 minus away the 108 degree. And therefore, this will be equals to 252 over 360 multiplied by 2 pi times 8. And this will give me a value of, what is the fraction for this? Multiplied by 2, multiplied by 8. 56 over 5. They want us to live in terms of pi. cm. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.